Let me spill the beans on how you can up your travel game without breaking the bank in 2024. So, you're scrolling through Insta, admiring those wanderlust-inducing pics, and wondering, how do they do it? Well, this year is your chance to step up your travel game without emptying your wallet or losing your mind in the process. First things first, let's talk flights. Did you know that booking your tickets on a Tuesday or Wednesday can save you a bunch of cash? And forget about going incognito, just clear those browser cookies. Those sneaky price hikes aren't always because of tracking, believe me. Now, onto accommodations. Why pay full price when you can stay in luxury for less? Urban has some hidden gems if you get a bit creative look for unique stays or entire homes. And if you're feeling bold, house sitting is a hot trend. Sites like Trusted House Sitters let you stay for free while taking care of someone's place, sometimes in breathtaking locations. Packing stressing you out? Roll your clothes to save space, and compression bags are a game changer. Plus, a digital luggage scale will save you from any airport surprises. And let's not forget about apps. Grab ones like Skyscanner for those last-minute flight deals, or Splitwise to easily split costs if you're traveling with friends. These little tools can make a huge difference. One more thing, always have a reusable water bottle on hand. Not only does it save you money, but it's also a step towards sustainable travel, a big trend in 2024. So, what are you waiting for? With these tips, you're all set to travel smarter, cheaper, and better than ever before. Get ready to hit the road, take some notes, and start planning your dream trips now.